Good morning, students. Today we'll start with the second passage comprehension. This passage includes two graphs also. Now I am going to start the reading for you. Internal recruiting, your next hire will come from within your company if you can find them. In an increasingly tight talent market, organizations are rediscovering the benefits of internal hiring, and they are using empathy to better understand how employees want to learn and grow. The trend epochs an earlier era when companies filled open roles by promoting their own people, and employees could follow a lifelong career path within a single firm. That approach, with updated thinking and tools, is making a gradual comeback. Role changes within organizations via promotion, transfer, lateral move have increased by 10% over the last 5 years. In helping employees find rewarding new roles inside your company, you boost morale and entice good people to stick around. The financial impact can be enormous. A 2018 Gartner study found the cost of employee turnover due to lack of career opportunities for an average size company is $49 million per year. The puzzling news is that few companies have organized some strategic processes to guide internal recruiting. Most internal moves are still directed by employees or individual managers who actively make their own connections. Almost 2/3 of talented professionals acknowledge that their companies need to improve internal recruiting. But it's easy to underestimate the scope of the required change. Developing a robust program requires an extensive cultural shift to overcome big hurdles. The full report offers tips to improve internal recruiting as well as case studies from companies that are investing in internal skill building, leadership programs, and new tools to empower their people. Now I am going to read the graph for you. First graph: why internal recruiting matters. Percentage of talented professionals who agree that internal recruiting provides following benefits. 80% believe that it improves retention. 69% believes that it accelerates new hiring productivity. 63% believe that it accelerates hiring process. The second graph: top 3 barriers to internal recruiting. Percentage of talented professionals who cite the following as obstacles to internal recruiting. 70% feel managers don't want to let go of good talent. 56% feel not enough qualified internal candidates. 38% feel more difficult to diversify workforce. Now students, you find the answer to the given questions and match your answers at last. Thank you.